Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or enroll for online banking account on Investors Bank. If you'd like to get access to your bank account right from your mobile devices or your computer, then you'll need to enroll to online banking. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.investorsbank.com and press enter. From the home page of Investors Bank, if you already have an account, you can click on the Sign In button, which should bring up an expanded menu. Simply go ahead and enter your details to log into your account. If you'd like to enroll into online banking, simply click on this Enroll link, and this will take you to a new tab. In order to enroll in online banking, you'll need to have your social security or your tax ID number, your account number, and the last name or your business name. Simply go ahead and type in your social security number or your tax ID number, any one of them, and then head over to the next field. Type in your account number that your bank has provided to you, and then on the next field, type in your last name or your business name. Click on I'm not a robot and finally click on enroll. Doing this will take you to the next page. Your account will be verified and you'll be guided on how you can finish your enrollment so that you can sign up for online banking for Investors Bank. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.